you guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. If you are new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today I am going to be talking about what you do if you plant a whole flat of seeds and one or more varieties don't germinate, okay? I knew this could happen. I thought I grew the Lola Rosa in the past and had them not germinate, but I wasn't positive, so I made sure that I planted them this year. If they didn't grow, I was gonna throw the seeds out to the chickens, okay? And then the other one that I wasn't sure about was Iceberg. Also didn't grow. Now, these seeds are old, okay? I bought these seeds in 2016, so even when you store properly, they just get old, right? And I do not have mine in a freezer. So what I'm going to do is I made sure that I did this quickly. I gave them the first week to see if they would germinate, and then on the second week I was going to replant, okay? Now, I know these are no good. I'm gonna toss them to the chickens, and I am going to replace all of these cells with new ones because I do not have space to waste, and I gotta get lettuce growing down in the greenhouse, okay? So what we're doing is we're germinating them up here, and then we are going to bring them down to the greenhouse to grow the winter in the greenhouse. So I'm going to grow the Bronze Beauty, which I have grown before. I really like it. And then I am going to grow the Deer Tongue. Okay, you guys, so one of the things that you want to make sure that you do is you try to plant as quickly as possible to when you planted your other seeds, okay? Because then you will make sure that they're all around the same age and you don't have like giant plants growing with little tiny baby plants, okay? Alright, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and maybe you learned something. I hope that you will like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and as always, have a blessed day. Bye!